have a great addition to the Mumbai Heroes team. Nishant, your first year, how's it going?
It's going great. I'm enjoying my experience here. It feels like I'm reliving my teenage days playing cricket. So something that I didn't expect while acting, I would get an opportunity to play in these great stadiums with these people. I'm loving every second of it.
I'm sure I can see that you're so enthusiastic about it. Also, you were in the film 83. So उसकी जितनी भी practice थी वो काम आ रही है यहाँ पे?
कुछ काम आ रही है, कुछ काम नहीं आ रही है. To be honest, I think I was playing Roger Binny sir's character. So somewhere I had to forget my own bowling action और उनका action पकड़ना था. So somewhere now, after practicing for that action and trying to replicate that for nearly a year, I have forgotten how I used to bowl. So I don't know what my real action is. It is Roger Binny sir or it's mine. So I'm still trying to get that.
There is a 6. You are lucky to be standing here with me.
Yeah, there's a 6?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe I'm just too busy talking right now. That's great. I think we are doing very well, if you ask me. We are going ahead of the rate. So I'm hoping we get a lead of 20 runs. Not being too optimistic, but being a realist, I think we should get 20. Yeah.
Well, we are standing here in heat and it's boiling. How is it in the field?
Once you get on the field, I don't think your mind is on the heat. I think there's enough heat that's coming out of the bat when the ball is just flying around. So I think you're more thinking about what you're going to do on the next ball rather than the heat. I didn't even think about the heat for even a single second when we were fielding.
This year's CCL has been very different. Like Telugu Warriors and Bhojpuri Dabangs, they were in the finals last year. And they're not even there in today's match. So what do you think is going to happen from this point right now?
Mumbai Heroes all the way. but again, I think all the teams are good right now. I think that Telugu also were a bit unlucky because I think they lost out on net run rate. They played very well in the last match. So and all the teams are kind of equal because everybody won 3 matches, right? It's so tight between all these teams. So you can't predict as to who's going to win it, to be honest. Me too, but I'll go for Mumbai Heroes, yes.
If you have to play the finals, if you get to play the finals, who would you want to play the finals against?
Okay, now that's a tricky question, but I think I would like to play against Karnataka. I think we have revenge to take. We have lost to them in the initial stages, the group ones. So I think there is something there that we want to kind of beat them and get even. So let's see, and what bigger occasion to beat them in the final? Yeah.
Superb. That sounds lovely. Anything that you want to say to the viewers right now?
Nothing. Just keep supporting Mumbai Heroes, and hopefully we end up winning the tournament. That's what we are aiming for. And lots of love to all of you watching back home.
Thank you, Nishant. It was lovely speaking to you, and back to you guys.